She's
Where?
Right, she's right there. Do your Facebook.
Oh.
That's there.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Fred's lying.
There she is. It's the same little one. So yes, this is her third. Oh Christ! Oh, she's headed that way. She's in the room.
Oh, well, my thing's closed, so she's in your room.
She's in my room, Fred.
Hold on. I don't
Oh,
know.
boo!
Oh, attack it.
Oh, okay, she's on my. Open the glass.
Okay, I see. You see.
Boo! Hi. Open. These are my pennies, you guys. No, go open the door.
Whoa, you told me to open. I don't want to open me.
Oh, she's in the corner. I might be able to grab her.
Grab her.
Hold on. This is I'm doing power lock to get it's a mess. Okay. She's oh, right there. She's on the pennies. There she is. Okay. Hi, baby. Hi. Look at her little beak. Okay, so this bird has been in my house. This is the third time. Hi. Oh, goodness. Fred, is the door open?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm trying to do penny floors, so we're in the middle of construction. Oh, did she? Okay, hold on. She's on the side of in the wire rack. I'm bird chasing, sorry.
Oh, Fred's crazy.
She can't get through.
Fred's crazy.
Oh,
There she goes. She turned down.
Where-
She went back that way.
where?
She went that way.
Okay.
He's here.
Nope.
Oh.
She scooched. Okay, we're
He's
this bird is Houdini. This bird is
yeah, she is fucking Houdini.
no. This bird seriously is Houdini.
Don't keep your cats out here. The one down for sure.
I think it flew. Did it fly past your head?
No, it did not fly past my head. She's in your bathroom, sweetie. Want me to get it? Okay. Scooch. Scooch. Last time you did.
So this is it's a very bizarre bird. We have
It's called psychopath.
no, it's really weird. I've had a bird fly into my part of my bedroom. So yes, I guess it's lost again. Sorry guys. Part of my mess in my bedroom. Yeah.
Where did she go?
So yes, I have a bird that is stalking me. That's the only way I can describe it. So we just found it. It's lost again. So this is the third time that bird has been in the house. So today this is the second time we chased it. It's still here, I believe. So I don't know why birds are flying in my house and why it won't leave. And it hides. Houdini bird. Okay. Until the next time we until the next time we see it or can try to like let it get out. Fred is it's cute. He's so looking in the cracks or whichever to try to find the bird.